Ma'am, excuse me.
Look center yo. Center right. आपके center look. मैम center look. आपका center right.
Anika,
right sir. करिएगा center. और आपके right से. या center या. शिल्पा भाई. सामने आपके. सर सेंटर जी आपके राइट सर सेंटर
Bite count. Give a bite.
Your gown.
It's okay. Come.
आ रहे स्टार्ट शिल्पा स्टार्ट
टीआरपी के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स टूट रहा है ये शो क्या कहना चाहेंगे 4 पॉइंट हाईएस्ट टीआरपी एंड इस तरह से हर किरदार को प्यार मिल रहा है व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से टू यू ऑल
We are grateful and thank
Yeah,
God
yeah.
for
We're
this
very
opportunity.
happy and blessed to be a part of this wonderful show. It's doing amazing. People are loving it, and yeah, we all are having fun while shooting it.
Every single day.
Every single day, it's fun, it's good, and it's all it's a new experience, like new scenes every day. Yeah, please say.
So it's been almost a year now. No, I think we've crossed 1 year already.
I
and
think we have already.
we have,
Yes,
we
we
have
have,
crossed
we
1
have.
year, and to be able to sustain a show at that level consistently, I think we can't take the full credit. The credit also goes to starting from the producer, Mr. Rajan Shahi, who is a very passionate man. I've known him for 2 decades, and since he, from the time he was a director, and he's always been extremely passionate about whatever he wants to. Even if it's like a 2-minute thing, he would be equally passionate. So I think starting from him and his team of writers and the creative people are so phenomenal that it sometimes overwhelms me that they are able to create so much content and so much of consistency in terms of creating that fantastic content. And for all of us actors, there is so much to do. They challenge us with every episode, with every new thing that comes in. They challenge us so much, to be able to execute what they are putting on paper. So I think it's the credit should go to the entire team of writers and creatives, starting with Rajan and our directors, and technical people, the DOP, Mr. Gulshan Shah, and Romesh Kalra, Abhay Jadhav, all Sunanji, all these people are actually, honestly, more responsible for taking the show where it is today. We only execute what is given to us. But yes, I think we are very happy that we've been able to sustain the position for last 1 year, and we've broken this, like you said, rightly, we've broken a record or crossed a record. I don't know how to put it, but yes, we touched 4, and I think it's a fantastic feeling for all of us.
Yeah, I agree.
अच्छा एक चीज जानना चाहूंगी जिस तरह से शो की कंपटीशन की जब बात आती है तो गुम है किसी के प्यार में को लेकर काफी ज्यादा हमेशा एक टफ फाइट दिया है बीच में आज जहाँ शो में थोड़ा सा क्राइसिस भी थे तब कोविड की वजह से तो क्या कहेंगे काफी ज्यादा कोप अप किया सभी ने और व्यूअर्स ने भी उसी तरह प्यार दिया तो
I think वो natural process था. There was हुआ COVID हुआ, we were unwell, and then we recovered, then we came back, and for all those days, I think about 2 weeks, the actors, the main few lead actors were not there, and obviously people sustained the show for those 2 weeks, and for that we can't thank God enough that people loved us so much that even without seeing the actors, even in the repeats, they were really watching the show. So we hung in there while we were not there, but when we came back, I think they gave us so much more love that we kept climbing further, and now we are here, wherever we are. And competition is always very good, because if there is no competition, I don't think we'll ever work hard. So all the other shows, hats off to them also. I'm sure they're also working equally hard. But good luck to them and good luck to us always.
Yeah.
अच्छा एक चीज है जो रूमर्स काफी रहती है सेट्स को लेकर कि देयर आर टू ग्रुप्स इन दी शो क्या ये मतलब कितना सही है कितना गलत है क्योंकि वी आल्सो कम टू नो जब आप लोग उसको क्लियर बताएंगे कि किस तरह से है क्या वाकई में दो ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं शो में
नहीं, हम लोग को अलग अलग कमरे दिए हुए हैं तो क्या होता है कि एक साथ सब बैठे तो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, मामला टाइट हो जाता है बिकॉज थोड़े छोटे कमरे
I know.
तो इसलिए कभी कभी अलग बैठना पड़ता है. बट अदरवाइज इफ यू कम टू द सेट you will see that the entire gang of actors is always sitting together. Paras, me, all of us, Rupali, the director, we are always having fun and cracking jokes. वो ग्रुप वाली जो बात है वो मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ से आई. तो वो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, कुछ विजुअल होता है कि यार एक बंच ऑफ एक्टर्स कहीं रिहर्स कर रहा है, दूसरा बंच ऑफ एक्टर्स कहीं रिहर्स कर रहा है अपने अपनी सीन, तो उससे पता नहीं कैसे ये बात निकली. बट देयर इज नो ट्रूथ टू इट बिकॉज if that is how it is, then no show can work, no film can work if people are divided, because you've got to be on the same page to be able to perform like that, right?
और आज की शाम के लिए कितने एक्साइटेड है? अवार्ड की बात हो और अनुपमा ना हो, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
that I can only say thank God for giving us so much of love. We are honored every time we are given an award or we are acknowledged. I think this is very rewarding because there's so much of hard work we put in, and everybody's put in. So every time somebody acknowledges it, whether it's an award or any sort of recognition, I think it's a reward, it's an honor. So we accept it wholeheartedly.
Yes.
सुधांशु और पारस, आप दोनों से जानना चाहिए और शो की जो फीमेल एक्ट्रेसेस है वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट लुक में है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इनके लुक को लेकर? आप लोग अपने कॉम्प्लीमेंट
I think they look gorgeous, all of them, as you can see. They look so beautiful, and
Thank you.
I think we are lucky to have such gorgeous women around us all the time, even on the set, and it just keeps the atmosphere beautiful.
ऑडियंस से जाते जाते क्या कुछ अपने अंदाज में सभी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
Keep
अपना?
loving, keep watching our show. Thank you so much for giving so much love and affection.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
the Iconic Awards for having us here.
Yeah. Most importantly.
And
Very
please
happy
take
to
care.
be here.
Please take care and keep watching our show, and we are just happy that
Also, one quick announcement I'll make. Last time when I had come to an award, I think people got confused that we were without mask.
We
Let
have
me tell
our
you
mask,
that we are at a very safe distance with the media right now. The camera is pretty far away. So we are following that protocol, and between us we are safe because we are there on the sets every day, close to each other without masks. So I think that should just keep you informed, well informed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
And all the very best.
Thank you.